plane. Spirituality is a way to access consciousness. So imagine what the children that two high functioning spiritualists birth and train in this stuff. Imagine the amount of shit they will be able to create. Then you go and marry somebody again who is taking your fucking kids to fucking Kobe because of some shit, guy. Like, that feels like a crime against human potential development and our responsibilities as employees of this universe, employees of what I know as Chuku, the universe, employees of the universe, to improve the universe, not set it back with cultism and raising cultists. After cultism has set us back so much, every religion is cultism if you are just getting